Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be playing around with the products that I received in this month's basic Boxycharm box. I did review the premium box. If you guys are interested in knowing what products are in the premium, I'll go ahead and link that video up here for you guys. But as far as this video, I want to just sit down and share with you guys the products that I received in this month's box. I did create this look using some of the products. I'm going to read the little pamphlet that we received in this month's box. This month's box is called Pretty Edgy. So I'm going to just show you guys very quickly what I have in here and pricing, the details, and then we'll move into a tutorial using some of these products. The first thing that I have in my box is this here. This is the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for the Eyes. It says deeply quench the delicate eye area with a nourishing cream. A blend of hyaluronic acid and algae extract seal in moisture, helping reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles and restores smoothness. Gentle enough for sensitive skin, and this here retails for $70. I'm going to be sharing my thoughts about this palette throughout the video, so make sure you watch all the way through. The next item we have in my box here, this here is the Becca Glow Gloss, and this retails for $22. On here it says illuminate your lips with a luxe conditioning lip color that combines the shine of a gloss and nourishing benefits of a balm. 3D light reflecting pigment ingredients instantly make your lips look fuller and smoother, which I'm currently wearing right now. In this box I have the Spongel Body Wash Infused Buffer. The Spongel's unique body wash infused buffers change instantly underwater as you squeeze from a sensual exfoliating massage texture to a soft as silk. Our patent technology provides a guaranteed number of 14 washes, and this here retails for $16. Here is the sponge, and I do want to say that it smells really, really good. The fifth item that I have inside of my box is, well, I can't read it. It's not on here. This is the Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm, and I don't know if you guys remember receiving the Green Clean balm that we received in Boxycharm, I think twice. I think I've received it twice, and now we have the cherry scented balm, and this just melts away your makeup. And I really like this product here because it does really melt away your makeup. When you have waterproof mascara, whenever you have a really matte lipstick, whenever you have your eyeliner, like it just melts it away, and I just love it. I don't know if it's going to be in everyone's box, but it's not on my pamphlet. I do want to share with you guys a couple of swatches with this palette that I didn't use on my eyes, but that I still find that are very beautiful. So this Charmer shade right here, this Luxe shade right here, this Pop-Up shade right here. These are all very, very buttery eyeshadows. I'm going to try to swatch you guys. I'm terrible at swatching, but there's these shades right here. I got some fallout right there, but they're really buttery, very pigmented eyeshadows. I think you guys are really going to like them because I personally love them. I know I'm going to be able to create some really nice looks with this. I find this eyeshadow palette to be more of a daytime palette. I know it does say nighttime on the little pamphlet here, but once I started to play with the darkest shade in the palette, like I came up with this look here, and it still kind of looks daytime-ish to me. So let me know what you guys think about today's look. And if you guys want to achieve this look, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't want to be.
I just applied some of that Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm going to use that as my base all on my eyelid like so. I'm going to be dipping into the color Cup of Joe from the Boxycharm palette. I'm kind of nervous about playing with these eyeshadows because I don't feel like they're going to be as pigmented just by looking at the eyeshadow itself inside of the palette. Hopefully I'm proven wrong. I'm going to begin by applying this right at the outer corner like so. I just want to make sure that I am focusing the color where I want it, and just before I start to really blend everything, I'm just packing it on. That way we have the most intensity where we place it, instead of it looking a little too light because I don't want it to be light at the outer corner. It is pretty pigmented from what I'm seeing. Now I want to take the next color I want to use, and I'm going to be using the same exact brush that I previously used. I'm taking the color Unboxing. With the color Unboxing, I'm going to start to place it right in the inner corner, going into that brown. I really like how these two colors are blending together right in that center. Now I'm wiping off my makeup brush on a makeup towel and going back in with the brown. By the way, I am using a Sigma E42 Precision from Blender for all of these shades that I'm using right now. I think I'm going to just maybe go back into Cup of Joe and just kind of diffuse the outer edges a little bit more. So just softening up that brown and blending it upwards towards the eyebrow. Okay, so now that I softened up that edge, I'm going to go into Unboxing and do the same thing over here. I just don't want any harsh edges. Now I'm going to take the NYX Glitter Primer. I'm just going to be applying it right onto the center right here. I'm going to grab my ring finger and I'm going to take the color Swipe Up. When I first opened the palette, this is the color that really drew me in. This is, I guess, a pressed glitter, but it almost feels buttery. Like, it doesn't feel like, I don't know how to explain it, but I'm going to be applying that onto my eyelid. Make sure you guys do have a sticky base because glitter near the eyes, that's a risk you're taking. And if it starts to like flicker off, then it might just get into your eyes. So be sure to use a glitter glue or a primer like I just did, and you won't have an issue with it sticking on. But look how beautiful that looks. Now I'm going to be taking the color Full Size. This is another shade that really drew me into this palette. And I'm going to be placing that at the outer edge right here. Since you're kind of overlapping the glitter, make sure you're closing your eye so it doesn't go into your eyelid. Okay. Now going back into Cup of Joe, and I'm going to be applying that at the outer edge. Just like that. Okay, I'm pretty happy with how that's looking now. I'm going to go ahead and remove this. I'm going to use my Pixie eyeliner on my waterline. Oh shit, I went really under there. This one here is the Pixie Black Eyeliner. So now I'm going to use the color Full Size, and that's the shade that I used at the outer corner. That's this one right here. And I'm using a small pencil buffer brush. I'm just going to place that right underneath here. That completes the eyeshadow portion. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye off of camera, do some mascara, some lashes, and then I'll come back and share the next product with you guys. Alright, so now I'm going to try this eye cream that we received. I have the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultra Moisture for Eyes. I'm going to see what this is like. So it has this little thing here. I'm going to take this off, and I usually grab product from this here. Like from any eye cream, when it gets stuck on here, like I like to use this and then I throw this away because it's just really annoying to have to take this off every time. So I'm just going to apply it right underneath the eye area. What do you guys think of this look? Because I have to go to a parent conference with my daughter's teacher today, and I don't want to look like I'm wearing too much, but I probably am. Now I'm going to be using the Becca Gloss, and this one is in the shade Rose Gold. This here has a really minty taste to it. Yeah, I really like it. And for my highlight, you guys can see how it's glowing really pretty. I did use the Too Faced Canary Diamond highlighter that we received last month, 2 months ago. I did not expect this from this eyeshadow palette because the colors looked a little bit not as pigmented, but I made it work. Like, they're not the most intense colors. I wish there was like at least a black in this eyeshadow palette. But this is more of like an everyday wear eyeshadow palette, so I'm not mad at that. I definitely will be getting good use out of this palette. I don't know why this, I think it's a scratch right here, that's why it looks like a line. But yeah, I hope you guys like this look. I'm gonna go do my hair. I'll be right back to finish up this look. I have to pick up my son too, so mom life. Okay, so before I leave you guys, I want to take off my makeup and show you guys how this melts away the makeup. I probably wore this look for maybe 3 hours, and unfortunately it's time for it to come off because I have to get ready for the gym. It does come with a little spatula right here, so you just have to like scoop this product out, and this is how much I'm grabbing, as you guys can see. Taking off the eyelashes. I'm going to grab the little spatula and just kind of apply it to the fingers like so. The toughest part about my makeup is always my eye makeup, so that's where I'm going to start off. Get the eyebrows and just... So this just really breaks down all of your makeup on your face. Since I am not at my sink, I'm not able to just like wash this off with my reusable makeup remover, so I'm going to take a makeup wipe and just take this off. It's a lot easier when you're not filming your makeup removal. Okay, so you guys get the gist of how to use this product here. I do have to go over to my sink because I do have glitter and I want to make sure that I get it away from my eyes. I can feel it, like, you know, like making their way in there. So I'll be right back. You guys don't see everything that's going on right now, but my kids are driving me nuts, and this is why I don't film in the day. Anyway, guys, I just got out of the shower, and you guys seen me lather on that sponge. I don't even know what it's called. Oh, this Spongel body wash infused buffer. So that really helped exfoliate my legs. Like, they feel really, really soft right now. So I'm really excited to continue playing around with that sponge, but on the rest of my body. And then now that I have clean skin, I'm going to just go ahead and reapply some of this eye cream, the Murad eye cream. That's like $70. That's really expensive. So I'm going to be getting really good use out of this cream because I am not one to splurge that much on skincare. So take advantage of this Boxycharm, you guys. It's $25 and you definitely get your money's worth of products. That completes today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me and getting unready with me. A couple of my favorite things from this month's box is definitely this eye cream. I definitely feel the moisture around my eyes, especially when you have like a lot of eye makeup and then you start to take it off. With whatever skincare product, I feel like my skin is very dry, so I really like moisture around my eyes, especially because I'm getting a lot of like little fine lines here. And it's my birthday on the 14th of this month, so another year, another... What are we going to talk about age here? Or you know what? We should embrace the fact that we're getting older, we're getting wiser, we're learning as we... I'm getting wiser. That's all we should say about my age. Then, my other favorite product from this month's box is this eyeshadow palette, which I mentioned to you guys, this is like an everyday type of eyeshadow palette, so you guys will definitely get good use out of this palette here. As far as nighttime looks, I know that the little pamphlet here says that you can create nighttime looks, but I use the darkest shades in the palette. The look that I achieved still looked like a daytime look to me. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think my eye look today looked like a nighttime look, or was it more of a daytime? Because it might be a little much for you guys, but it's a little subtle for me. Regardless, I really like this palette. I'm looking at the pamphlet here, what else I received. I think both of those just combined were my favorite products. I do like the gloss. I just have so many glosses that it's hard to say that this is like amazing, you know? But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you guys are interested in getting this month's box, I'll go ahead and link the direct link down below in the description box. It is an affiliate link, so if you guys do decide to subscribe using my link, I do make commission based off of you signing up. So I really appreciate that. That supports me in what I do here for you guys. Sharing my love for beauty. I'm here for you guys every single month, sharing what I have inside of my Boxycharm box. So I hope that you do click the subscribe button down below and also turn on post notifications so you're notified every time I do have a new video here on my channel. And hopefully I see you guys in my next video. Bye!